Luca, where's the apple? Apple. No, where's the apple? Apple. Where's the butterfly? Where's the octopus? Penguin. Fish. Orange fruit. Cats. Bees. Snowman. Watermelon. Lastly, watermelon. No, very good. Good job. Clap your hands. Yay! Ang kabilebo.